Today, we're diving deeper into the competitive world of Middle European winter tires to determine which tire takes the coveted top spot. Will it be Michelin Alpin 6 or Bridgestone Blizzak LM005? Both of these tires excel in various conditions, but which one comes out ahead overall? Let's compare their real-world performance numbers. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Alpin 6 set as the reference point at 100%. Snow performance is critical for Middle European winters. Here, the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 stops quicker on snow at 28.1 meters, a difference of 1 meter compared to the Alpin 6. It also has slightly better snow traction, with a force of 2,899 Newton versus 2,860 Newton for the Alpin 6. Snow handling slightly favors the LM005 as well, clocking 57.4 km per hour, which is 0.8 km per hour more against the Alpin 6. Wet performance is where the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 shines. It comes to a stop in 50.2 meters on wet roads, outperforming the Alpin 6, which takes 54.6 meters, a significant difference of 4.4 meters. Wet handling is also better on the LM005, achieving 72.9 kilometers per hour, which is 1.3 km per hour more than the Alpin 6. It even handles aquaplaning better, with straight-line aquaplaning starting at 81.7 kilometers per hour compared to 78 kilometers per hour for the Alpin 6. On dry roads, braking distance is crucial for safety. The Michelin Alpin 6 stops in 45.9 meters, while the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 takes longer at 48.3 meters. That's a 2.4 meter difference, a significant gap in emergency situations. However, when it comes to dry handling, the LM005 shows a slight edge, reaching a speed of 137.9 kilometers per hour, which is 0.9 kilometer per hour faster compared to the Alpin 6. When it comes to durability, the Michelin Alpin 6 takes the lead with a projected wear life of 40,100 kilometers, significantly higher than the LM005 mileage of 31,300 kilometers. The 8,800 kilometers difference could mean another season on the road. The Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 has a lower rolling resistance coefficient value at 8.18 compared to the Michelin Alpin 6 value of 8.75, and it offers a slightly quieter ride with a noise level of 70.1 decibels versus the Alpin 6 noise level of 70.9 decibels. In summary, the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 excels in wet, snow, and offers a quieter ride. On the other hand, the Michelin Alpin 6 counters with superior dry braking and much better wear performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.